Why is everyone increasing their prices? That's just crazy. Do you want to know the truth behind it? The truth is that people are panicking and losing faith in the economy because they cannot see what the future has in store. But not at AM.CO.za, because we know that South Africans do have a bright future ahead of them. And so we keep investing in our infrastructure, our education, and our products. So how can we help? We certainly cannot help others with their price increases. But what we can do is offer a whopping 20% discount on all our products for all our Cheers VIP members. And if you have not got VIP status yet, just ask sales to help you to become a VIP so that you too can take advantage of this limited time offer as well.